Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the view that contains the element. Plan or elevation works best. Select the family instance or model element and look at the properties palette so you know current dimensions. Once selected, unlock any constraints or pinned status so the element can resize. Make sure reference planes and levels are visible and active. This is the why Revit sizes depend on references. Now you're ready to enter new values or activate the scale/resize tool. Now you change the actual numbers. Type the new width, height, or depth into instance or type parameters. That's the direct how. Use temporary dimensions to click and type precise values, then press enter to apply. This updates geometry immediately. If the element is a family, open it in the family editor, adjust reference plane distances or parameters, save, and load it back into the project. This two-step approach ensures consistent behavior across multiple instances. Finish by verifying the new size in plan, elevation, and a 3D view so you catch any unexpected shifts. Make sure dimensions updated and clear any temporary dimensions you added. If the geometry doesn't change, check for locked constraints, nested family behavior, or type-based parameters preventing change. That's the common why of failures. If needed, undo to the last good state, edit the family parameters, or load a backup. This troubleshooting tip gets you back on track fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.